Can you add a covered or screen porch to an existing deck? Yes and no. Yes, you can. A lot of times you can. All of ours goes through an engineer. When you do a screened-in porch or you put a roof above it on an existing deck, you have to look at a lot of different things. We got to get an engineer approval. We got to get drawings that are stamped by an engineer, or we do, no matter whether we need to or not, depending on the jurisdiction we're in. But 99% of the time, we need to have engineered drawings to come back with a covered porch over the top of an existing deck, because they look at all the different things that needed to be to make sure it's going to be structurally sound, how high it's up in the air, the pillars, and while you're adding all this weight to it, you need to have an engineer look at it and do all the calculations to make sure all the support's there to be able to build something on top of it, how it's going to tie into the roof structure, how it's going to affect the overall structure of the house. All that needs to be accounted for. Absolutely, you can, and we've done it. We've done it several times, but it's definitely a remodel project. It's right on the edge of a remodel. It's not just a simple putting a covered top on it. A lot of times it's a fully engineered project, and it's a big change to your house. But it's nice, but it's again, you just have to look at some of that stuff, and it's more costly to do it after the fact than it is building a new one right up front, because usually that engineering is all built into the initial design. Doing it after the fact is always a little bit more expensive too. And we obviously look at the condition of the posts, the condition of the the materials that were used. I mean, we see everything from 20-year-old ones that they want to use these existing posts, and their kids there's notches in them, or they're not, when they did it the first time, they're sitting on the dirt or something like that. They don't have the proper structure underneath them. So then, the materials matter. That all comes into play with an engineer, and what it needs to be replaced. We may need to add posts to it. You definitely have to look at the whole picture when you're doing it. If it's a 30-year-old wood deck, almost better tearing it off, replacing it, and then doing it all and re-engineer everything from the ground up, which you have to do anyways, but you don't always have to tear the whole thing down to add a porch over the top. It just, again, it all depends. Whether a composite or wood decking, no, you can put a covered porch over it either. We've done that before. Just have to look at the support system.